Whoa. Okay, so when I first got here, I was in a rush, so I couldn't really explore like the water part that's near my camp. So we're gonna see what that's like right now. Whoa. This is an amazing spot. I wish it was summer so I could swim in the water. Nothing like some good nature. All right, now it's time for some breakfast. Got some English muffins waiting to get made. Okay, so truth, I'm gonna warm up in my truck first because it is cold. It's better than it was like 2 hours ago. Like it's just now 56 degrees, but still, I gotta warm up. I've been cold the whole night. I'm definitely going to invest in a portable heater for sure. But yeah, I'm warming up in 30 minutes. I'm going to make breakfast. I'm going to use my 2-burner stove for the first time. And then I'm going to make some English muffins, some coffee. I might try the s'more recipe I found online. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, I got my black coffee, and I got my English muffins. Egg and Gouda cheese. Can't go wrong with it. So freaking good. When I tell you, that fire pit grill, I think that thing is flavored. Every time I put food directly on it, it hits just right. Okay, so next, I'm gonna try this s'mores recipe that I saw on Facebook. I follow a lot of campers, so I got this one of them. I forgot who it was. I'm gonna have to remember later. But yeah, it's basically bananas with peanut butter. I don't have that much peanut butter, but yeah, peanut butter, then the chocolate, then the marshmallows, then it's supposed to be a dip for my graham crackers. You feel me? So, trying to make it. Not gonna lie, I thought this would be difficult to understand, but this stove is so simple. There we go. Mash down the bananas. Fold it and let it cook. Boom, it is finished. Looks messy, but what's important is the taste. Let's give it a shot. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip this in the dip. Okay. Hold up. Hold up. Oh. Hot, hot, hot. The banana is kind of overpowering. So I guess next time I make this recipe, I'll do 2 instead of 3. But I could definitely get the combination. I get why they would do that. The peanut butter, I could barely taste it. Maybe I can get that part. Maybe I didn't stir it right. But I definitely taste the s'mores. I'll tell you that much. The chocolate and the marshmallow with the banana, it blends well together. It really does. Wow. Oh, wow. This was an awesome recipe. Ooh, so... Okay, you know what? That second bite, way better. I did more on there. I still can't taste the peanut butter. Maybe the peanut butter blended well within the flavor. God. This is amazing. This is a good way to end the trip. After this, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up. I got so much trash around here, it's ridiculous. And I'm gonna go ahead and pack up the tent and everything else I need to pack up in this. I got this spot until 12. Let me see what time it is. Okay, so it's 10 on the dot. So I got like an hour, 2 hours to chill. So yeah, once I pack up, I'm just gonna reflect on my thoughts. Just embrace the quietness. After I demolished this s'more, whatever it's called, s'more dip. After I demolished this is so good. I'm gonna have to make this another time at home probably. Oh man. All right, so first I gotta deflate this. Okay, so the campsite is cleaned. My bags is packed. I reflected a little bit more, and now it's time to go. I thank y'all for joining me on this solo camping trip, and I definitely plan on doing it one more time, maybe two, before winter time comes. Also, today I'm going to start an email where you guys can send me recipes. Wow, recipes I could use during camping. So I'm gonna post it right here. It's gonna be push sage. Well, I ain't created it yet. Let me not say it, but I'm gonna post it on the top of right here. Okay, you'll see it. But anyway, thank y'all so much for joining me. I appreciate y'all. This is just the beginning of my solo camping journey. I've got improvements to do here and there. I got a lot of improvements, but it's a learning lesson. You can't learn if you can't step forward. If you can't push yourself, you can't learn if you don't push yourself. I made that first step. I can't by myself. So, Thank y'all for watching me. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said before, comment improvements I can make. I appreciate every feedback that you guys have given me. Thank you for watching. Peace.